I am finally ready to pull the trigger. Yes, on Accutane. You probably clicked on this video because you want to follow along my journey and the side effects that come along with taking Accutane. I have had cystic acne for almost 10 years. Yes, 10 years. So when I say I have tried literally everything, I have tried literally every possible thing. I even changed my entire lifestyle. I stopped drinking, I stopped eating poorly, I was making sure I was getting enough sleep and drinking enough water, and yet to no avail. Currently, it is April 28th, 2026, and I am going to be starting Accutane tomorrow, April 29th, 2026. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna do like a week check-in, then a second week, then a third week, then a fourth week, and then I'll go bi-weekly so you can follow along on my journey to see the side effects and just kind of like the craziness of being on Accutane. Is it really as crazy as people make it out to be? Currently I have makeup on, so it's not really giving a good representation. I'll do a close-up, but then I'll also go take off my makeup and then I will come back. All right, whoa, what a crazy transition to be like, ooh, without makeup, ooh, with makeup, okay. Anyways, all right, there you go. No makeup. I'll give you a bit of a close-up here so you can get a better look at my skin. Maybe you're thinking, oh, my skin looks a lot like yours. So then you're gonna wanna keep watching because then maybe you'll see if it works for me, might work for you. All right, let's go to bed and wake up tomorrow when I'm gonna take my first pill. What a crazy journey. Butter on Accutane, supposedly supposed to help absorb the drug. So I have this every single morning, even before Accutane, just fiber one with a scoop of peanut butter on it. But now I'm gonna be upping my peanut butter because I need to make sure this drug absorbs. So, yeah. Okay, so I've applied moisturizer, I let that sink in, and then I applied sunscreen, and then I also put on Laneige on my lips to prepare for whatever is about to happen. Low-key taking Accutane, I felt like I was Demi Moore in the substance. I was like, this feels illegal. It's illegal to be a drug that's gonna cure my skin. Like, what? I'm just about to head to Shoppers to get some moisturizing products, but I did want to note that the first side effect to show up was fatigue. I had to have a really good nap today because I was just extra tired. So I know that's definitely from the drug because I don't take naps normally, but I just took the second pill. So let's see if anything else happens and I'll keep you updated. Really important, I just want to say that I'm not a medical professional. I'm just a girl who's on Accutane sharing her journey and the side effects that I'm experiencing, just to maybe, if you're curious about going on Accutane, that maybe this can help you make more of an informed decision. But if you have any questions, please direct them towards your doctor or dermatologist, as they know best for what is good for you individually. All right, let's get to the video. All right, so we're at a day 4 update. The only thing that I've noticed so far is hair thinning. I can definitely feel like my hair feels thinner. I don't know if it'll show on camera of like a difference, like now versus 4 days ago. I feel like it's kind of hard to tell, but my hair just feels thinner. But maybe it's like placebo and I'm just like delulu. Just like, it's definitely happening. I don't know if it's happening. I'm just like, it feels like it, but I don't really know. And then a little bit of a skin update. I definitely think things are coming to the surface, which is kind of like, you know, it gets worse before it gets better. So that's totally okay. But yeah, that's where we're at, day 4. So we're almost done the first week. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Just finished day 7 of being on Accutane, and as a few highlights, this is what I could tell you. 1, on the first day, I was extremely exhausted. And I didn't know why, and I just kind of deemed it as it was my body reacting to the medication. That did not happen again during the week at all. I haven't really seen any like mood changes yet or anything like that. Today's day 7, and this was the first time that I noticed like my lips are getting chapped quicker. So I'm really staying on top of like making sure I'm using like Laneige on my lips and stuff like that to make sure that they're not dry. Something I noticed during the week was that my legs were getting really dry. I usually like the moisturizer that I have, if I use it, my body usually stays moisturized for 3 days. I noticed that like literally would keep me moisturized for like the day, and then I had to do it like every single time I get out of the shower. Oh yeah, another thing that I did notice was my skin has been getting worse, but I think this is part of like the purging phase, so like the start of that. So like I don't know, normally have acne down here, but like you can see, and I'm gonna put like, let me just move over here so maybe I can put a side by side, but like I definitely think this has gotten worse since the beginning, but that's all a part of the process, and that's important to note. Something really important to note is that you have to drink a lot of water, and this is really, really important. And I didn't really think that, you know, it would be this big thing, but my mouth will get so dry. And before Accutane, I would be able to drink like 72 to like 80 ounces of water per day, and that was like a lot of water. And I was always hydrated. I didn't have headaches or anything like that. And then once starting Accutane, and like a couple days in, 3-4 days in, my mouth started to get like really dry. So I like have chug water like all the time. And if I'm not drinking like 130 to like 150 ounces of water per day, which is almost like doubling my water intake, I will like get a headache. So it's really important to make sure you're drinking a lot of water on Accutane. And those are the things that I've learned within the first week. So I'll give you another update in a week's time, and that'll be 2 weeks on Accutane, and then we'll do a 3-week video, and then a month video, and then like I said, it'll go to like bi-weekly videos with new updates. So stay tuned and see you then. Bye.